Nah, tuhan baru.
Jersey number 26. Rebound by jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Rebound by jersey number 29. Pass to jersey number 29. Jersey number 29. Jersey number 8. Rebound by jersey number 4. Jersey number 23. Starting to play. Pass to jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. 2 points by jersey number 12. Rebound by jersey number. Pasok. Jersey number 26. Jersey number 26. Pass to jersey number 2. Last shot by jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Tumarada ng press. Rebound by jersey number 14. Last 15 by jersey number 13. Robert up 2 points. Pass to jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 22. Jersey number 24. 2 points by jersey number. Last 1 minute and 30. Jersey number 15 and 14 by jersey number 17. 2 points. Nagbababa ang bola para sa jersey number 22.
Kulik! Cover!
Last 15 by jersey number 22. Pasok. Substitution. Pass jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. Rebound by jersey number 2. Here, jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, 2 points. Jersey number 12. Here, by jersey number 13. Pass jersey number 21. Pass it to third by jersey number 2. Jersey number 7. Pass jersey number. Rebound by jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Pass jersey number 3. 2 points. Jersey number 22. Pass jersey number 27. Jersey number 27. 2 points. Pass jersey number 3. Jersey number 12. 2 points. Jersey number 11, pass jersey number 27. Steal by jersey number 21, jersey number 21. Easy 2 points. Jersey number 27, dribble by jersey number 22. Pass jersey number 11, jersey number 11. Rebound by jersey number 27. 2 plays. Last 13 seconds. Jersey number 21. Rebound by jersey number 2. 2 points. Last 13 seconds. Jersey number 3. 2 points. 21. Jersey number 21 and bababa na bola. Pass jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. 2 points. Pass jersey number 27. Last 14 seconds. Jersey number 2. Tirada ng press. 3 points by jersey number 2. 17 pa rin. Pass jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. Rebound by jersey number 9. 2 points. Jersey number 21. Last 25 seconds. Jersey number 21. 2 points. Here, by jersey number 3. Pass jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Rebound by jersey number 21. 2 points. Jersey number 22. 2 points. Jersey number 26 starting the play. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Here, by jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. 2 points. Number 9. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 8. Tumirada ng 3 points. Pass to number 8. Pass break pass. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 13. 2 points. Jersey number 22. Rebound by jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. 2 points. Jersey number 8.
Daming highlights
Pass
sa
jersey number 8 ulit. Jersey number 8. Tumirada ng 3 points. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 29. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 26. Rebound by jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Basket is good by number 13. Pass goes to number 15. Last 14 seconds to shoot. 3 points by Goats. Stopping the play. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Goes to number 20. Super 3 points. Goes to number 2. Rebound goes to number 8. 2 points. Goes to number 26. Pass goes to number 17. Goes to number 17. Tumiraga ng 3 points. Goes to number 8. 2 points by goes to number 26. 2 by goes to number 15. Pass goes to number 8. Goes to number 8. 2 points by goes to number 8. Time remaining. 4 and 5. Goes to number 15. 3 points by goes to number 15. Rebound by goes to number 9. Pass break pass. Goes to number 13. Goes to number 13. Maganda pa by goes to number 8. Basket is good. Pabor na po ang kalaban. Sa substitution. Goes to number 13. Basket sa substitute. Rebound by goes to number 8. 2 points. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Steal by goes to number 26. Goes to number 26. 2 points. Goes to number 22. Tumiraga ng 3. 3 points by goes. Goes to number 8. Pass goes to number 17. Goes to number 17. Rebound by goes to number 2 points by goes to number 29. Goes to number 8. 2 points. Last 14 seconds to go. Goes to number 23. 2 points. Having the play, pass goes to number 8. Last 14 seconds to go. Goes to number 26. 2 points. Last 13 seconds to shoot. 3 points by George. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Goes to number 11. 3. Goes to number 9. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Top basket is secure. Goes to number 3. Pass goes to number 2. Sena goes to number 2. Beraja pass goes to number 8. 2 points. Goes to number 8. Pass goes to number 12. Goes to number 12. Basket is good. Goes to number 21. Here. Goes to number 11. Goes to number 11. 2 points. Goes to number 21, pass goes to number 8. Goes to number 8, tumiraga ng 3. 3. Exciting! Goes to number 12. Number 26. Goes to number 26. Nagtama din eh. Floater shot. 2 points. Goes to number 20. Number 8. Steal. Goes to number 11. Goes to number 11. Pass. Goes to number 26. Goes to number 3. 2 points. Goes to number. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Last 10 seconds. Goes to number 8. 2 points. Goes to number 8. Steal. Goes to number 9. Goes to number 9. Goes to number 21, pass goes to number 14. 2 points, pass goes to number 14. 20 seconds. Goes to number 3. 2 points. Last 19 seconds. Still, goes to number 11. Last 25 seconds. Last 15. 10. Last 5 seconds.
Kalaban.